Many people in North China love sour noodle soup. In different regions, people prefer different ingredients. Some like veg sauce, some prefer meat. Make sour base soup with Chinese brown vinegar. Add chili powder, white pepper, and other Chinese spices. Hot sour soup noodles makes you feel warm and relieves the homesickness. Let's make the Northwestern flavored sour minced pork noodles. I make meat sauce with minced pork. You can use beef or chicken. Soak dry lily and black fungus in warm water. We need 1 egg, tofu, carrots, and garlic sprouts, or cilantro or Chinese chives instead. Dice carrot in small pieces. And dice tofu. Minced garlic sprouts. Cut off the hard end of the daylilies. Tear black fungus into small pieces by hand. Make egg pepper. For stronger taste, sprinkle some salt and white pepper on it. Mince some ginger for sour soup and slice some for meat sauce. Heat oil, stir carrots for a while, then add tofu in and go on stirring. Add black fungus and daylilies later. No need to season veg sauce too much. Just salt and light soy sauce are good enough. Well stir to make the seasonings distributed evenly and then done. Heat oil, stir minced pork. Flavor with sliced ginger, cinnamon, and star anise. Season with rice wine, light soy sauce, and salt. After the color of the meat changes to light brown, pour into the brown vinegar. The amount of vinegar depends on how sour you want it. If you just like moderate sourness, follow my recipe. For 200 grams minced pork, 3 tablespoons of brown vinegar and 1 tablespoon of chili powder. The meat sauce is ready. Cook noodles in boiling water. Handmade noodles always taste the best. You can buy fresh noodles or dry noodles from Chinese supermarkets. Heat oil and add minced ginger and Chinese 5 spices powder. Stir seconds and pour in boiling water. Add a tablespoon of brown vinegar and a teaspoon of salt. Let the sour soup boil for 3 minutes until the taste of ginger is strong enough. Serve noodles in a large bowl, top with veg sauce. Sliced egg pepper, pork sauce, Sprinkle garlic sprouts on the top and pour sour soup in. Wow, the sour minced pork noodle is ready. Looks delicious. Let's enjoy it. If you liked the video, please give it a thumb up. Thank you for watching. See you next time.